Hello everyone, my name is Anderlane and we are here for another class of the Conexão Mundo program. Have you seen the video about technology? Does technology make us happier? What do you think? Well, today we will learn about quantifiers, how to use quantifiers, and we are going to try to associate the use of quantifiers with technology. Okay, here we have some questions for you. Please think a little bit and try to develop your ideas, okay? What do you think of today's technology? What do you think of tomorrow's technology? In your opinion, is technology a good or a bad thing? Do you think we become obsessed with technology? New technology could you not live without? Okay, take a look at this sentence here. Many students find it difficult to sleep. A lot of social media users complain that there is little privacy. A few people say that technology brings something positive to their lives. In this sentence, we can see some words in bold. These words we call quantifiers, and they are really important to express the quantity of something. Uh, but it's really necessary understand that we have much more quantifiers. For example, a lot of, many, a little, lots of, few, little, much, a few, and many. So we use quantifiers when we want to give some information about the number of something. When we want to answer questions with how much or how many. Well, as I told you before, today I'm here to talk about quantifiers. Let's begin with a review of countable and uncountable nouns. A countable noun is a word we can count. You know, we have singular and plural form. We can see some examples here. Apple, car, dog, star. For example, we can count apple. We can say one apple, two apples, three apples, four apples, and so on. On the other hand, we have uncountable nouns. And an uncountable noun is a word that can't be counted. I mean, there is no plural form because they can't be liquids or gases or something that you can't see or touch, abstract nouns. Something in very small pieces, rice for instance. We can't count rice. We can't say one rice, two rice, three rice. No, it's wrong. We can say a spoon of rice, okay? Two spoons of rice. In this case, we count spoons and we don't count the rice itself. So we use countable and uncountable nouns with quantifiers. Because there are some quantifiers that can be used with countable nouns and some quantifiers that can only be used with uncountable nouns. Of course, there are some quantifiers that can be used with both. So here we are going to see some quantifiers. We are going to see quantifiers that can be used with countable nouns and quantifiers that can be used with uncountable nouns. Take a look at the first chart. Countable quantifiers with countable nouns. We have here some examples. I want all the apples. Can I have every ball? Who has the most pens? I don't have many pens. I don't. I have some pens. I have a few coins. I don't have any cards. We had no eggs. The other side, we have another chart with uncountable. Take a look at these examples. Quantifiers with uncountable nouns. I don't have much rice. He has much money. How much does this cost? There is much work to do. I have a little rice. Do you have a little salt? I want a little flour. I wish I had a little brother. So just take a look at these examples here once more. I don't have much rice. Remember, rice is an uncountable noun, so we use it much. But I could say, I don't have many spoons of rice. Because in this case, we are count spoons. 1 spoon, 2 spoons, and so on. And the second example here, he has much money. Why much? Because we are talking about money, and money is uncountable. Remember, we don't count money. We don't say, I have 1 money, 2 monies, 3 monies. No, we count the currency. We count dollar, for example. I can say I have $3, $5, okay? But we also have some quantifiers that can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns. Take a look at some examples here. Enough, all, more, most, less, least, no, none, any, not any, some, plenty of, lots of. With these quantifiers, we can use countables and uncountable nouns, okay? Okay, so here we have a small text and we are going to complete this text with quantifiers, okay? This activity you can find in this website, and let's read and try to choose the best option, okay? Mobile phone on demand, the Samsung Scroll S20. Okay, I know that we are in S24, but let's focus on the activity. There are new phones in the shops this month, but our favorite is definitely the new Scroll S20 by Samsung. Parará smartphones these days come with Parará free apps, but the Scroll S20 has Tarará really good ones, like an app for finding Wi-Fi when you are in town. the Scroll S20 is a bit more expensive than other smartphones, but Parara phone comes with a leather case. So, the first one, there are some new phones in the shops this month, but our favorite is definitely the new Scroll S20 by Samsung. All smartphones these days come with some free apps, but the Scroll S20 has a few really good ones, like an app for finding Wi-Fi when you're in town. The Scroll S20 is a bit more expensive than other smartphones, but each phone comes with a leather case. Okay, very good. We have here just some food for thought. Please reflect about these questions. Try to organize your ideas and give answers for yourself using some quantifiers, okay? First question, what's the definition of technology in modern society? The second one, how has technology changed the way we communicate? The third, in what ways has technology affected our work-life balance? And four, what role does technology play in modern education? Okay, here we have. Okay, here we can find the reference of our presentation. It was a pleasure to be here with you. Hope to see you soon and bye bye.